Hi guys, in this video we are going to see how to handle the API error, this time with using the state handler, which is an inbuilt capability from Dialogflow CS. Okay. Before moving on, general request for everyone who are watching this video to subscribe to channel. 92% of people are not subscribing to the channel who are watching this video. If you are coming from Google search, do consider giving a super thanks if you find this video useful. As always, like and subscribe. Okay. So in the previous video, 6.3.1, right, what we saw is under the book flight, right, and if any error is there, right, we are handling the error from the code. Okay. So what we did last time is this is a API, and this API does not exist with one, right? We have only with the flat status. There is no flat status one. Okay. So this gives error something called 404, which is like resource not found, and it returns null over here. We are capturing, and over here in the code side, we are checking if it is a null. Then we are returning some response parameter back and handling that. Okay. Now to handle with the state handler, first what I will do is I will comment this part so that our we are considering the state there where you can say that webhook is not handle that one. This is kind of a unknown scenarios, that kind of a thing, right? And what we will do is in our code side, we will click on state handler. Routes we already have. Okay. Route group I will explain, but at high level understand that if you have large number of intents, kind of a FAQs, and you want to use this FAQs for each and every flows, then you can add those into route groups. Okay. We will use event handler right now, and data store is basically if you are calling the vertex AI. Okay. So in that case, anyway, so we will click on event handler, and once we do that, we will see that along with routes we are now having event handler. Okay. So I click over there, I will click add event handler. So this is kind of a capturing the events. Okay. So yeah, either you can create your own custom event, you are free to do that. But over here they have given some inbuilt what you say events which defined by the Dialogflow CX. Okay, so if I come over here, you will see that there are list of events given like no match, no input, invalid parameter, long utterance. There is a error. Webhook error is a parent one, right? Which says that it is expecting a error of 400, 4xx means anything in the 400 series. Then there is also error for 500 also if service is not available. So that also can be handled. Let's say this will be triggered when uh, our this thing is not configured. So this URL is not working, or this URL is not there, or this webhook is not there. Sorry. Okay, coming back over here, what I will do is I will go over here. I added now. Okay, anyway, I will click over here, click plus, and we will use something called webhook error, right? And we will just say that okay, error cap captured by the state handler, and just we will do a end to this call flow. Okay, just to test it out. End session save. Okay. So let me do quickly webhook restart because we changed that code. Okay, and now I will test it out. So we will test the scenario. Test agent, I will say hi. Okay, and I will pass the text. And now you can see that we are capturing, or you're getting the error coming from uh, your state handler, and obviously your CX webhook is killed because there is no proper handle for it, right? So I think it's 404 error over here where it is. Yeah, 404 error. Okay, let's do another try for another type of error. So let's say we create webhook unavailable, right? So what we will do is calling webhook is not available. Okay, so that is what we will say. Click add and click end session over here. Click save. Now to trigger this, right, we have to uh, either stop the ng rock. Okay, so I will stop the ng rock over here, and now when I test it again, reset, replay the test. So now I am getting uh we are still getting the same. Oh, because yeah, I remember, sorry. uh I forgot. So everything what you say, right? You get a webhook error, unavailable error, and this thing, right? So it's kind of a Java exceptions, right? So this is a parent exception. Until unless you specify, you remove this and you specify others, right? Then only those will trigger. Otherwise, always the parent one will get triggered. Okay. So what I have to do is remove the that one, the parent one. Go over here, click on event handlers, delete this one, and we will do the test again. So what I will do is I will replay the test, and we don't have a response. Why? Uh, webhook unable, webhook 503. Oh, okay, sorry. We have to trigger the not found one. Sorry, my mistake. So what we will do is over here, we will go over here and select the webhook not found, which is the one we are triggering. 503 is server error, right? So webhook is present, means the URL which we have configured over here is valid. And in that, if you are getting 503 error, right? So then it will get triggered. Uh, Sorry for the mistake or confusion, but anyway, what we will do is we will say it is not found. Okay, click save, and now it should give me this calling webhook is not available. Click on test agent, click on replay, and yeah, now we got that webhook is not available. uh, Similarly, you can do for further, right? You can stop watching the video if you want, but I can trigger something like delay or timeout, right? So I can go to my dear friend ChatGPT and say that add 10-second delay in response for this code. Okay. So what I am telling ChatGPT is the response will take 10 seconds at least to give it back. And what we will do is, okay, so code is generated. Yeah. Okay. What I will do is quickly copy this code, move to our CX API. So now this code will take around 10 seconds every time. Kill this one, start again. And over here, we will be calling actual API. So that was the first, right? And also what we will do is we will start this one. And also we have to start our ng-rock. So we'll get a URL that we will add over there back to our over here, and over here. So you, so what we will do over here is webhook timeout. We will keep it like yeah, 1 second or 2 second, right? And we know that our we have delayed the second to 10 seconds to get the response. So what we will do over here is we will try to add one more event handler, right? So I will click over here. I will select the webhook timeout, let's say, and we will say that okay, timeout error has occurred, whatever the spelling is, occurred. Okay, click add, click save. Oh, sorry. Click page and click end session. Click save. Okay, so let's hopefully this should work. Replay test, and yeah, timeout error has occurred. It waited for 2 seconds, did not get a response, and then we got the error, right? Now what I will also do is in the CX API, I will remove second to 1 millisecond so that we get the response, just to show that how it works. Where was that random percentage should return? Restart the API and let's see how it behaves now. So now what we have done is reduce the API, right? Delay in the response to 1 second, oh sorry, 1 millisecond, and it's now we are getting the values. Right now there is no flight. I should remove this logic, right? I don't like this one. But anyway, where is that logic? Should return flights if equal to one. Otherwise this. Okay. Sorry, what was it? Yeah, 0.09. Let's restart and replay again. And yeah, now we are getting response over here. Now if we set it to again 10 second or something and delay to around 5 second, so it will wait for 5 second and then it will trigger the error. Not this one. Sorry. Restart this one and replay the test. So it's waiting for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now where is the error? Oh, sorry. So it waited for 5 second. I will call it. So it's waiting for 5 seconds, waiting for response. Didn't get response in 5 seconds, and when it triggered the error. Okay, so this is how we can call the various state handler to handle different scenarios. Remember, if you have given webhook.error, then it will be always going to trigger that one because that's the parent one. Okay. Hopefully you like the video. Give a like and subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.